Hi class, welcome back. And for our second session, we are going to study Listening Express 3 in Unit 1, all about bugs, page 12. So everyone, let's do this close-up listening. So take out your textbook to page 12. And we are going to listen, audio track listening 6. So teacher will play it for you, listen carefully, and fill in the information for part A, listen again. For part B, fill in the blanks, okay? So I'm going to play the audio track listening 6. So let's start.
Close-up listening. I have some very cool pets. They're ants. Ants may sound like weird pets to have, but they're easy to take care of. They eat almost anything, but they love sweet things like candy. They're also interesting to watch. My ants are smart little insects that are always busy. I see them working hard every day, and I love to watch them crawl around. They dig tunnels and work together to make tiny nests under the sand. They seem like a happy little family. They even seem to talk to each other sometimes. They are unusual pets to have, but my ant farm is awesome.
Alright everyone, so that is our audio track listening track 6. Now listen to teacher. Again, I'm going to read the part A with the complete answers, okay? And also for part B, I'm going to read the paragraph with complete answers. So let's begin. My awesome ant farm. Ants are easy to take care of. They like to eat sweet things like candy. They are interesting to watch. I love to watch them crawling around. They seem like happy, a little family. Did you get it, everyone? So that is our part A. I hope that you fill in the information already. Now, for part B, here's the complete paragraph. I have some very cool pets. They're ants. Ants may sound like weird pets to have, but they're easy to take care of. They eat almost anything, but they love sweet things like candy. They're also interesting to watch. My ants are smart little insects that are always busy. I see them working hard every day, and I love to watch them crawl around. They dig tunnels and work together to make a tiny nest under the sand. They seem like a happy family. They even seem to talk to each other sometimes. They are unusual pets to have, but my ant farm is awesome. Did you get it, everyone? All right. So here are the complete answers. So check your answers, everyone, and teacher will write the complete answer for you. So number 1 is ant farm for letter A. Ant farm. And easy. Sweet. They like sweet like candy, right? And it's so nice to watch. They are crawling too, and they very lovely family. Next, part B, pets. And easy to take care of. And anything. What else? Number 3, They eat almost anything. And like candy, okay. Like candy. Number five, they're also interesting to watch. And number six is, my ants are smart little insects. Smart little insects. And number eight, they are hardworking. Yes, of course. Hardworking insects. And they are crawling around. Next, they even make some nest, right? Make tiny nest under the sun. And they even talk to each other sometimes. Talk. And the last one, they are unusual pets. Unusual. But his ant is awesome. So these are the correct answers for our part A and part B. So everyone, let's move on to chit chat. This is kind of interesting, everyone, because I'm going to ask you a question that it's in our textbook also. Would you ever get a pet insect? Why or why not? So you can comment down below for your answer, everyone. I really appreciate it if you cooperate or give time to talk about this in our video, right? Or you can also write down your answer into your textbook. So it's your choice, everyone. And this is the end of our lesson for today. We talk about ants, right? Yes. Okay, everyone. So this is the end of our lesson for today. Don't forget your homework as well. And see you again next time, everyone. And keep safe. Goodbye.